Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And here under this Power BI with SQL playlist, we are going to cover SQL concepts from scratch. So in the last tutorial guys, we have studied about various kinds of joins like self join, cross join and natural join. And we have also studied other joins in part 1. So we have almost covered all the join kinds in SQL along with Power BI. I hope now you guys have good understanding about all kinds of joins in SQL as well as in Power BI. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about one more topic of SQL, which name is identity. So let's understand guys, what is identity in SQL and how we can use identity with constraints. So here is the definition guys. A identity column is a numeric column in a table that is automatically populated with an integer value each time a row is inserted. So basically identity means guys, it will generate a numerical sequence. So once you try to insert any row in the table guys, the number will automatically populate it. So here you guys can see the example of identity. So you can clearly see on the screen, it creates a sequence like 1, 2, 3 and so on. And if you want to make any custom sequence guys, so with the help of identity property, we can also make the custom sequence, which will start from number 10 and interval of increment of each 5. So here is the query guys, which you can clearly see it on the screen. So here we have created small table, which name is marks. And here we have taken 4 columns like roll number, names, country and age. And one thing guys, if you observe it here, the first field is roll number where data type is integer and the constraint is primary key. That means a user cannot allow any duplicate value. But along with primary key guys, I have used one more property which name is identity. That means we don't need to write any sequential number or any roll number. The moment I insert any value under the marks table, so the sequential number will automatically populate it. And this thing guys, you can clearly see it here under this insert into query. Here I have not taken any roll number. I have just mentioned name, country and its age. And now let's apply the same query in SSMS. So let's move towards the SSMS screen. So here we have entered in SSMS screen. And now I will simply go here under this new query and select my database name, which is Shubham. And now guys, I have already copied that script and now let me paste it here directly. So the same script guys, which we have seen in the PPT. The table name is marks and here we have 4 columns like roll number, names, country and age. And I have given the data type along with its constraints. So now guys, let's create a table first. So let me select this query and hit execute. So here we can see command completed successfully. And now let me open this table with select command. Select star from our table name is marks. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So here is the table guys, which we have just created. And now guys, let's insert some value under this marks table. So here is the query guys, to insert any value under the table. So let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, one row is affected. And now let me open this marks table. Let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, we have not entered any roll number. Still you can see the number is 1. So this thing happened with the help of this identity property. And now guys, let's insert another value here under this table. So let me copy this query and now I'll paste it here. If you guys want, you can change directly from here under this query. But I am doing the copy paste here. And now let me change the value. So here I am taking my name here. Instead of Akshay guys, I'll write Shubham. And country would be India. And age I am taking let's say 29. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, one row affected. And now let me again open this table. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, you can see the next sequential number, which is 2. So in this way, you guys can enter more and more value and will automatically populate the sequential number. And now guys, let's learn how to create custom sequence in SQL. So before showing the custom sequence practical guys, let me drop this table. So I will simply write drop table. Our table name is marks. So let me select this query and hit execute. So here we can see commands completed successfully. And now guys, what I will do, I will go here under this first field, which is roll number. And in the front of identity guys, I will start my brackets. And let's suppose this time I want to see my number should be start from 10. And I want to give interval here. So I'll put it comma here and I want after 5 interval it will increment. So I'll put it 5 and bracket close. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, the marks table is again created. And now let me open this table. So let me select this query and hit execute. So here we guys can see we have again created a same table. And now let me try to insert some values. So I will pick this query guys and let me select this and hit execute. So see guys, one row is affected. And now let's see this marks table. So let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, here roll number is 10 because we have created a custom sequence. The roll number should be start from the 10. And now let's add another entry. So let me select this query and hit execute. And now let me open this table again. So see guys, the next roll number is 15 because we want 5 increment in each record. And if you put it third record guys, so the next answer would be 20. So let's try another record. So I am changing name here from Shubham to Akshay. So let me select this query and hit execute. And now you guys can see the next record is 20. So in this way guys, you guys can use this identity property with primary key constraint or any other constraint. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And if someone wants to learn Power BI from scratch, so you guys can follow our free YouTube channel which name is Analytics Pro. And here under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept of Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so here you guys can see we have lot of playlists are here. So firstly you need to cover this Power BI full course playlist to learn Power BI concepts. After that you need to start with this advanced concept. Here I am trying to cover all the advanced concepts of Power BI in detail. And for the SQL learners guys, we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can see lot of SQL concepts we have already covered and adding more videos on SQL. And also we have this visualization playlist and DAX expression playlist. And with the help of this DAX expression playlist, you guys can learn all the DAX functions of Power BI in detail. And we have one more playlist guys, which name is updates. Here under this playlist, we are adding only updates video of Power BI. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers, which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything for anyone for jobs and training. But those who think they required only live training sessions, they are not much interested to learn these analytical things from the videos because they are facing difficulty to understand and they are not able to concentrate on the videos. So for those folks guys, we also conduct online paid training and sessions where I personally train candidates from scratch till intermediate level with right roadmap and guidance and provide some real-time projects with scenario-based things, so that they can feel more confident with hands-on experience, and also assist them to conduct with mock interviews and provide placement support always with my WhatsApp group. So for paid training and other support, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram group. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. These are our permanent account guys. You guys can follow us here. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.